Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the median line trading strategy. Alright, so the median line trading strategy is based on a technical analysis tool known as the median line, okay, often associated with the work of Alan H. Andrews. Alright, so this tool is commonly called the Andrews Pitchfork. So I'm just going to add this indicator to the chart. All right. So the Andrews Pitchfork helps traders analyze trend direction and potential price paths. Okay. The median line is created by selecting 3 important price points on a chart, as you can see, right? Usually a swing high and 2 swing lows, right? Or a swing low and 2 swing highs. Okay. Now, once these 3 points are identified, the tool draws a central line. Okay, the tool draws a central line called the median line. Now, along with 2 parallel lines above and below it, as you can see. The central concept behind the strategy is that price has a tendency to move toward the median line after it forms. When price moves away from it, traders often observe whether the market eventually returns toward this central path. The upper and lower lines of the pitchfork can act as potential areas where price may react. So these lines sometimes behave like dynamic support and resistance levels. For example, if price approaches the upper line of the pitchfork, traders may watch how the market reacts to determine whether the trend might pause or reverse. Similarly, when price reaches the lower boundary, traders may analyze whether buying pressure begins to appear. Another aspect of the median line strategy is observing how price behaves around the central line itself. In some cases, the median line can act as a balance point where price either continues along the trend or temporarily consolidates. Traders often combine the median line tool with other analysis methods such as support and resistance levels, trend lines, or price action patterns. The overall goal of the median line trading strategy is to use geometric market structure to better understand potential price direction and how the market moves within a trend. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading strategy. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.